चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Viewers, let's move on to the next big story that remains our top focus, the Renuka Swami murder case. Before we break the Renuka Swami murder case, let's go to Karnataka, where in the sex sleaze case, the brother of Prajwal Revanna, Suraj Revanna, has now been arrested for alleged sexual abuse of a party worker. Now, earlier in the day, Suraj Revanna was arrested around 5 a.m. and from Hassan, where he was picked up, he has charges of performing unnatural sexual offences against him. Suraj Revanna was booked on Saturday for allegedly sexually abusing a party worker under different sections of the IPC. Now, we are coming up with different reactions in connection to the case. Let's tell you about those.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟಿಗೆ FIR ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ CIDಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸು ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ CIDಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನು CID ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟಿಗೆ FIR ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗ CIDಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ಸು ಈ ಥರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ CIDಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನು CID ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಸೂರಜ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಕೂಡ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
has been arrested, sir.
No, that issue, why you ask me? Why you are asking me? That is not pertaining to me. Or it is not necessary to react for all those things. Law is there. Law, it will take its own course of action.
And viewers, joining us live on the story is my colleague Prajwal. Prajwal, a very good afternoon to you. In the latest, in the case, we learned that Suraj was taken for his medical examination. Is there any update in connection to that?
You know, that is the usual procedure which is usually done before producing anybody before a magistrate as well. So therefore, the regular medical checkups had to be done, making sure that the vital parameters are in place as well. And right now we are out here at the Hassan Sen police station, and you can see that within a matter of moments now, Kriti, that he will be taken out to Bengaluru and he will be produced before the 42nd magistrate court, which is for the people's special representatives as well. And moreover, now as Sunday the courts are closed, he will be taken to the magistrate's residence in the National Games Village out there in Koramangala. So that is what we get to understand. And just a few moments ago, we also spoke to the legal counsel of Suraj Revanna, Mr. Purnachandra, and he still maintains that the case is still under investigation, and therefore there was no opportunity to go ahead and meet his client as well, because once they file for a remand application, only then will the procedure of going on to meet their clients will be seen to at this point of time. And moreover, now considering the fact that the case has been handed over to the CID, the role of the police in Hassan will be limited to the fact that they will have to take over Suraj Revanna safely all the way from Hassan back to Bengaluru and hand him over to the CID, after which the due procedures and protocols will be followed to, and to make sure that there will be no sort of untoward incident which would be reported. They are taking no chance, and therefore security has been heightened outside the police station. It's just a matter of few few minutes, in the next 15 to 30 minutes, we will be seeing Suraj Revanna, who will be escorted by the police to the Carlton House, which is the CID headquarters out there in Bengaluru, after which between 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. today, he will be produced before the magistrate of the 42nd ACMM court, and the CID will be seeking his custody with respect to this particular case.
All right, thanks for joining us with those details. Prajwal, we will be coming back to you when Suraj does come out of the medical test and is headed to the court. Meanwhile, viewers, the Republic has also spoken to the counsel of Suraj Revanna, who said that Suraj will file for a bail application tomorrow, today being Sunday. Listen in to this exclusive.
You have gone before the police as well. Did the police allow you to go ahead and speak to your client in this regard?
No, sir. Listen, actually, he was in police custody. So today is arrest now. He is producing the court. After I will meet there. Court permission is after.
Investigation officer.
I will
the
only.
People's Magistrate Court today?
Yeah, in Bangalore, 42 ACM court in Bangalore. Producing before that 5 o'clock or 5:30 in home office. So only I will meet there in investigation officer. What is going on? What is case situation? Who is going on? What is interrogation going on? Everything should be tell there the investigation officer. Is Mr. Suraj Revanna is 100% is cooperated for investigation. Today, as procedure as per law, is producing before 5:30, 40 mm ACM court in Bangalore today only.
There are purported audio clips as well as WhatsApp chats of your clients, which is going viral on social media, and even the victim in this case has allegedly gone ahead and circulated it. How are you seeing this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
These are all going on investigation. Today I am not telling there. It is on very preliminary issues. It is case is going on only preliminary issues. 2 cases is going on. 2 FIRs is going on. Both the cases investigating our investigation officers.
Okay. On the 19th of June, a case was registered in the Hole Narsipura police station. Even your client has stated that he is one of the aggrieved party in that. Shivkumar has gone ahead and filed an FIR on behalf of him, the complaint. Had he brought this to your notice stating that he was being blackmailed for rupees 5 crores or he was being blackmailed for a job?
No, sir. Everything is going on investigation. Everything is going on simultaneously. No, sir. Clearly mentioning in FIR. But the evidence is very most important thing in every FIR. The allegation is not important.
Now
The documentary is
interrogation
evidence.
is going on.
Today is interrogation going on. Who is blackmail for 5 crores? Who is the back supporter of that person? Everything should be came from in investigations.
Has your client or your client's relatives pointed out to any sort of political conspiracy in this?
No, I don't know. Now the situation only for I as a legal team. I will meet the investigation officer.
Before he was arrested, he pointed out on a political conspiracy.
No, sir. I did not know. He was not talked to me that matter.
Right.
Only thing is I will meet there in legal
Investigation
team.
officer.
Today 5:30 in between 5:30 p.m. is arrested for 42 ACMM court in Bangalore, and after his 100% his investigation is cooperated.
Before the magistrate.
Yes,
in
sir.
Bangalore, 100% is cooperated the investigation officers.
All right, we also counter allegations by the counsel of Suraj Revanna, but what's stunning is that charges have been made against both Prajwal and Suraj Revanna, the 2 brothers, and the father also continues to be involved in such charges, including one of kidnapping. With that, let's move on and take a look at some of the top stories from across the nation in Bharat in